Hi metal parts purchasing managers, please look over here. This beautiful metal part I'm holding is made by our sheet metal working. You can see the surface has been treated with sandblasting and painting, giving it a very beautiful and delicate effect. Moreover, after bending, stamping, and other processing, it can present such a beautiful effect, which can not only improve the strength but also improves the corrosion resistance. Anyway, if you also need to process such a complex structural metal part, you can try our sheet metal working.